Welcome back to Tap Tech. Today, we're diving into something powerful, compact, and designed for serious gamers and creators, the ROG NUC 2025. Asus has taken the concept of a small form factor PC and pushed it to another level. It's not just about saving desk space. This device is about delivering desktop-grade power in a tiny, beautifully engineered package. The ROG NUC 2025 shows that compact doesn't mean compromise. Whether you're gaming, streaming, creating, or just need a powerhouse PC that won't take over your workspace, this is a release worth your attention. So let's break down what makes the ROG NUC 2025 stand out. From its specs to performance and more to at first glance, the design grabs you. The ROG NUC has a bold, angular look with signature Republic of Gamers styling. The lighting accents and the matte black chassis scream high performance. But beyond aesthetics, it's functional. The build is tight and clean, making it easy to fit into almost any setup. It's a bare-bones kit, meaning you'll need to add RAM and storage, but the flexibility is what makes it ideal for enthusiasts. Inside, the ROG NUC 2025 is packed with next-gen hardware. At its core, it's powered by Intel's latest 14th Gen Core Ultra processors. You can go up to the Core Ultra 9185H, which is a monster in multitasking and raw processing speed. This chip is efficient and powerful, making it ideal for everything from 4K gaming to video editing. Coupled with this is NVIDIA's RTX 4070 or 4060 laptop GPU, depending on the variant you choose. These graphics cards are more than capable of running modern games at high settings. You get ray tracing, DLSS 3.5, and all the AI-driven features. NVIDIA is known for thermals are a big concern in small systems, but Asus didn't cut corners. The ROG NUC 2025 features a dual-fan cooling system with vapor chamber tech. The airflow is optimized, and heat is managed smartly to prevent throttling. Even under stress, the system maintains good thermal balance. It's not just quiet, it's efficient. So, whether you're deep into a long gaming session or rendering video for hours, this machine keeps cool under pressure. In terms of memory, the NUC supports dual-channel DDR5 RAM, up to 64 GB. That's a major plus for gamers, streamers, and developers who need quick access to high-performance memory. And for storage, it offers two M.2 NVMe PCIe Gen 4 SSD slots, which means lightning-fast boot times and data transfers. Load times for games are almost instant, and if you're handling large files like 8K video, the speed will blow you away. Connectivity is another highlight. On the front and back, you get a generous array of ports. There are USB 4.0 ports, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4a, Ethernet, and more. Whether you want to connect multiple monitors, external drives, or streaming equipment, you won't run into limitations. There's also Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 support, ensuring high-speed wireless performance and low-latency connections for your peripherals. Now let's talk real-world performance. In gaming, the ROG NUC 2025 handles everything you throw at it. You can expect smooth 1440p and even 4K gaming in most titles. Whether it's Cyberpunk 2077 with ray tracing on or competitive shooters like Valorant and Apex Legends, frame rates stay high and stable. DLSS helps improve visuals while maintaining smooth performance. For creators, the ROG NUC chews through editing timelines, 3D rendering, and graphic design workflows. Adobe Apps, Blender, DaVinci Resolve, and other heavy tools all run effortlessly. You can even use it for AI training models, thanks to the powerful GPU and fast memory. What makes this device exciting is that it breaks the traditional idea of a small PC. It's not just for casual users. This is a machine that competes with full-size desktops, but in a much smaller body. If you travel for work or want to move your system between rooms or even places, the NUC makes it easy. The compact design also makes it easier to set up in minimalist or space-limited environments. It's powerful, but also portable, which opens up more use cases for gamers and pros alike. The software experience is polished too. Asus includes Armory Crate, allowing you to customize performance profiles, lighting, fan speeds, and more. It's easy to use and adds value to the experience. You can set it to silent mode while working or unleash turbo mode when gaming. It gives you control over how the system performs and sounds, which is great depending on your environment. Security and update support are solid. With Windows 11 Pro, you get BitLocker, Windows Hello, and other tools for professional-level security. BIOS updates and driver support from ASUS remain frequent and reliable. For those using the ROG NUC in office or hybrid setups, these features give peace of mind. Now when it comes to upgrading, things are surprisingly simple for such a small device. Popping open the case lets you access the RAM and SSD slots easily. This upgradability gives the ROG NUC a longer life. If you want to boost performance down the line or swap in larger drives, you can do it without needing to replace the whole system. That's important for long-term value. In terms of power efficiency, the ROG NUC 2025 is also a strong performer. Thanks to the optimized cooling and smart power management in Intel's new chips, you get a balance of high performance and reasonable power consumption. Whether you're pushing the machine hard or just doing light work, it stays efficient. That's especially great for those concerned about electricity use or thermal impact in smaller setups. Overall, the ROG NUC 2025 is one of the most exciting compact PCs we've seen in recent years. It packs performance, great cooling, upgradability, and flexibility into a package that looks as good as it runs. It's perfect for gamers who want something powerful and space-saving, and equally great for creators and professionals who need workstation-level performance. ASUS has done an impressive job refining what a small form-factor PC can be, and the ROG NUC proves that you can go small without sacrificing anything important. It's not just a niche product anymore. The ROG NUC 2025 is a real contender in the desktop space. If you want a PC that's portable, powerful, and future-ready, this might be one of the best options this year. Of course, pricing depends on configuration, and going for the Ultra 9 CPU with RTX 4070 will cost more. But for what it offers, the value is definitely there. It's an investment in performance and flexibility. Thanks for watching Tap Tech. We'll keep bringing you reviews on the latest in tech, gaming gear, and innovation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for updates. Let us know in the comments, would you choose a high-end compact PC like this over a traditional desktop? See you next time.